What's going on out there, good people? Konnichiwa. Hope everybody out there is doing well, and welcome back to LMD Trading, where I am living my dream trading. Coming to you all live and direct this day. I was going to say this morning. It is actually 12:30 a.m. where I am at. It is 11:30 a.m. back in the States. So it's midnight here in Tokyo, Japan. Got into the lovely city of Tokyo, Japan today, July 10th, about 6 p.m. local time, after a delay out of Atlanta and a 12-and-a-half-hour flight. Finally made it on in. About a 40-minute ride. I'm staying in the Shinjuku area of Tokyo. About a 45-minute bus ride over here to where my hotel is located. Ended up getting situated. Noticed that it was almost market time by the time that was. So I pulled out my laptop, took a couple of trades. Actually, it's showing 7 trades. And we finishing out green, having a green day recap in Tokyo. So let's go ahead. I'm going to bring up the trade performance sheet from NinjaTrader. Had a discussion about this with one of a fellow YouTuber who has joined the Discord. And this information is not totally correct a lot of times. Best thing to do, especially if you are trading in Apex, is to use Rhythmic, which is this icon right here. Rhythmic. And you check your balance in there, and you can check your numbers in there. I'm still looking for a performance sheet in there to be able to review this information, but this is what we're going to go with because this is what NinjaTrader is telling us. Reviewing trades for July 10th, my mom's birthday. Happy birthday. I'm sure you are watching. I hope you are having a wonderful day on your birthday. But again, July 10th is what we are reviewing for, showing that we took a total of 7 trades, 6 winners, 1 loser. That loser was a big loser. Man, today would have been a whole lot better without it. But 7 trades, 6 greens, 1 red. Gross profit, $930. We gave back $300. Gave us a net profit of $630. Let's take a look at these trades real quick. You're going to see. First trade, small green. Second trade, huge red trade. I didn't notice this. This is good. So stopped out of the first one. That's what we're supposed to do. Second one, I just closed it. I had no clue where my stop was at. I was in 2 contracts. Should have only been 1. Got smashed. Second trade was a short 2. See, I got out with the stop. I don't want to do that. Do not want to do that. When I do this, I give back some of that threshold money that I don't want to give back. But made $40. It got us down $240. Next trade went to Target. This here, I'm sure, is 1 trade. Yep, both of those are 1 trade. Made $540 on that trade. Took it to Target. That got us up $300. Came back, took another trade. When you see stop, that means that I moved my stop and got out. Made $5. This was another one. This number is not totally accurate, but it's showing that I was up $145. Possibly could have been. This one here is showing that I was up. And see, I can already tell you that it's not. I got to figure out which one of these. One of these is max unrealized gains, and one shows as max unrealized losses, but neither one of those are making sense right now. But let's come back over here. Last trade, we took that one to Target. One contract made $325. This last one was in the $50,000 account. Actually, the last two, $50,000 Apex account. These here were in the $25,000 Apex account. The $25,000 Apex account, I still have $1,498 of threshold, which is good. And I only need to make $600 more to qualify that account to turn into a performance account where I will actually trade their money. So one or two more good days and we will have the monetary amount. Next, then we'll need to get the, after that, we'll need to get time, 7 days. So slide this over to my other screen real quick. Go pull up the charts. We'll look at these trades real quick and I'm going to shut it down. So let's bring this on over. First trade this morning, it was taken at 8:11. Let me see here. Let's bring this back on over. 8:11. There we go. And this was a short, y'all. This was a short. And this was, oh, now I see why that, oh man. Yeah, I see why that second trade was a doozy. First trade, getting in, it was rejecting previous day's close. Easy spot to put my stop was at the top of it. That was giving it, let's see, entry of 89. Top of that candle is 97. So that's only given that, what, 9 points? Not bad risk. It makes a nice move down. And I let this come back up against me. And I get out making $20. And look at what it does. It just comes up a little bit more. And I was right on the trade. I had the right idea. I just thought that it would hold off of this fast moving average. Literally thought it would hold off of the fast moving average. I'm going to bring over the Kaji line. So in right here, I'm out right there. This gives a little tiny green line and then it just dumps. But I get out right here and I go long right there. Why? This only got room right up to here, but long right there. Stop should have been right there. This would have caused me maybe to lose. Let's see. In at 187, stop. That's 3 points. 3 points, one contract, $60. Two contracts, 120. I shouldn't have lost no more than 120 in this trade because the stop should have been right there. I take this all the way down, get stopped out right there. Now I realize you were right the entire time. I get back in this one. Short right here. This makes this excellent move coming down. Comes back up. And I get out making $40. That's that one where you saw it says stop one. That's because I moved my stop and I got out. And then look what it does. Flushes back down again. So this time I wait on a new entry. I get in as it breaks the low right here. And I hold on this one. Let's move it on over. Come on, where are you going? So in, get stopped out. I get in right here. And now I hold this one all the way down to right there. Kind of sit through it, kind of consolidating right there. When this makes this break, I'm good. This was target, but when it closed below, I held it. It tried to break back over, and then we get this nice flush. So that was a good, solid trade right there. Made $300 on that trade. Went, got freshened up, market opens, we'll let this keep running. And I go long. It's not good. This was not good. Going long, it's below the hourly 50. So this is going to act as resistance. First area of concern, I'm going to drop a line right there. I mentioned this in the Discord. We'll drop that line right there. So when I entered right here, okay, I am being a little aggressive. I am anticipating. I get the move. This comes up to this first area of concern. I should have had my target right there. Let's do the numbers on that real quick because see how much I was up. So getting in about 202. Sets a high. Let's call it 212. Keep the numbers easy. That's 10 points. One contract, that's $200. How many contracts was I in? Let's see. I was in one contract. That was $200. I let this come all the way back and I made $5. And you see, it was a very good out because this just tanked. When this didn't break this candle right here, I knew this trade was over. I should have had my target sitting there and just took that $200. I would have had $500 in the $50,000 account. But this thing tanks all the way out, just gives it all up. I go eat, go out, find me, and go walking around for a little while. Find me a little ramen spot, and I come back around 10:30, and sitting in the Discord. A couple of the guys were just chatting about their morning, and I'm just watching the chart, and I like how this comes up, and we're getting this bear flag. If you can see it, higher lows, fairly even highs, but it's choppy. My thought is, if this breaks this blue line, I want to be a part of the trade. So, NQ pushes down, I get in right there. Now, I'm trading this to this line right here. I did not have this line. I just dropped this one on while myself and Spark were chatting in the Discord. But this flushes down, and it has so much strong volume, I just kind of moved my target down. I said I want to see about 25 is where I thought it was going to go to. Let's see. Yep, it would have broke 25. But I take it to 26 because I want to give it a little room to hit me. Comes down, tags me. $325 on one contract. So nice, smooth morning. But actually, it's a nice, smooth evening for myself because it is dark outside. But that is what we did this morning, y'all. Nice, solid trades. As always, I hope y'all enjoyed the recap. I'm laughing. I got my earpiece on with the Discord going. Spark is over there using some choice words. But hope y'all enjoyed the recap. Hope y'all have a good day out there in the market. It's still early. It's only 11:45 stateside. So y'all still got the whole day ahead of y'all's while I'm about to go try to get a little bit of shut eye so I can go see some sights this morning this morning. So until next time, peace. I'll be back at it again trading tomorrow. I'm staying at the Keo Plaza, if you want to know where I'm staying at. Keo Plaza, very nice hotel here in Chenkutsu. Probably check out of this one in the morning and find another one. But this one is nice. It's what they consider a 5-star hotel. Pretty doggone nice. But on that note, wrap this one up and we'll be back at it again tomorrow. Peace.